Alright guys, the salmon is done. I'm doing a little bit of pollo asada, which is like chicken thigh marinated in like spices and all that type of stuff. It's bigger pieces of chicken thigh. I'm doing a little bit of that. I'm doing a little bit of carne asada too. But yeah, the salmon is done. We're gonna make some potatoes with it, maybe like some green beans or something like that on the side. But yeah, man, it looked like it came out great. I know it's gonna taste good because what I seasoned it with is simple and basic. So basically what I did was I got some olive oil, rubbed it in on both sides, put a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, garlic on each side, and then just sprayed like a half a lemon on each side, and that's enough. When it comes to fish and steak and stuff like that, just keep it simple like that and it comes out amazing, because those meats have a lot of fat, and what the fat's going to do is it's going to enhance the seasoning. So you do not need to overdo it with those. So that I kept it simple, basic, and just got straight to the point, man. I can't wait to eat. I'm going to show you guys my plate too.